Hi, this is Hetty. I'm in Italy, specifically now Montipulciano. As you can see below, after this here, there are the vineyards and also some olive trees. I didn't know that it takes 5 years for olives to grow and mature to become olives. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know the only videos I'll be posting in the next week or two will be of my trip to Italy with my family. So next will be, I'll show you the Mediterranean from the Amalfi Coast. How's that? Wow, look at that landscape. I'm sorry, the trees are getting in the way, but you get the picture.